All right, we're standing here right now with Denise MacDonell, who is from Harris Corporation, a big broadcasting company that's very active in the digital signage and digital out-of-home space. Denise, thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with us here at InfoComm down in Orlando. A sweltering hot day. You've got a sweater on as well, which is mind-boggling to me. But could you start off a little bit by talking about what Harris does and then kind of how they're involved in the digital out-of-home space?
Sure. As you mentioned, Harris is a broadcasting company, and what we've done is we've taken some of our broadcast technology that we use to put video and graphics on screen for broadcasters, and we've repurposed that in usage for digital signage.
Right.
So if a retailer, a sports facility, an educational facility is looking to put high quality, high definition quality graphics to air on screens in their buildings, we've got technology to do that. And then we've also, on top of that, we've built technology to manage advertising campaigns.
Oh.
So if the facility is looking to monetize the network by using some advertising, we've built software to allow the trafficking and the scheduling of advertising campaigns as well. So that's really what we're doing in this industry.
Okay, great. And in a little bit of a nutshell, could you tell people out there about some of the applications that you're seeing for this type of thing? Because that was a very broad explanation, but could you explain a little bit about some of the applications?
Sure. So if, for example, you were an educational facility, a university, you would use the technology to put screens or signs, say, in the dining hall, showing menu boards, showing the patrons what's available as specials or what's on the menu today. Or you can use it in the union building to talk about what's going on from an event standpoint. And you can also use it from a wayfinding to show where students should be going, or conference room facilities. In a corporate communication environment, very similar use, right? You're trying to impart a message. You can use screens to do that. We can deliver the content for that in terms of your message and your brand and what you're trying to portray to your corporate employees. Other examples, say in a retail market or a convenience store type of market where you've got products and promotions, that's really an advertising type of model where you're trying to really influence a consumer behavior pattern to purchase a product that they see advertised on the screen.
Yeah, absolutely. These are great examples right there as well about how it's not just one application within a specific vertical, but there are many different ways to use it. Is there anything else new here at InfoComm from Harris?
Well, if you actually go around the booth, you'll see that we've got practical implementations of the products that we deliver for vertical markets. So on the front, you'll see a Scotiabank, which is very interesting because banks are all about imparting information to the patron, and they have a ton of retail type products that they try to give you information about, and so signage is a fantastic way to do that while folks are in the bank looking to balance their checkbook or cash their paychecks or whatever. So that you'll see that here at the show. We've got Florida Institute of Technology, which is a university, who's using our technology to drive their menu boards in their dining hall. So you'll see that here. You'll also see other bits and pieces of technology from an underlying video network standpoint that help to deliver this to the end user from a technology perspective, and we've got all of that stuff on display here.
Denise, thank you so much for explaining this. Best of luck for you with the rest of the show.
Thanks so much.